your reaction on the statement of Attorney Kapunan na the Vice President is presumed to have used the monies for personal gain because of the OEMs and sa NS?
Of course, we objected to that, no? And again, I'm sorry, Joseph, I cannot give you a straight answer again, but I really feel bad about doing that. But that will be up to the appreciation of the court. In fact, if you notice, the presiding officer rephrased the question para lang mas klaro. So, tingnan na lang natin kung anong appreciation ng court dyan sa provision na yan. Because that provision naman exists, binasa naman yun. But ang provision kasi is failure to liquidate. So yun yung pagtatalunan natin. Kung meron bang nasumiting liquidation o wala. Diba? Maganda lang.
On the testimonies and the cross, what's your position?
I have always maintained my position that there is no misuse. There is no misappropriation. Walang napunta na divert sa Vice Presidente. But we will not be able to prove all that. They will not be able to prove all that with just one COA witness. So I'm sure marami pa po tayong pagdadaanan. But those are our contrasting views, diba? And then tingnan na lang natin kung ano yung mas mananaig during the course of the trial and after the trial, of course, for the senator judges.